made some clay birds for our house and they look so lovely. They make me really happy. So if you watch this video, you can make them yourself as well. You need just a few ingredients. You need some oven baked clay, glitter. Now I'm all covered in glitter or sparkly, which is quite nice. Feathers, gems or rhinestones, clips, and glue. And if you want to paint the bird, use some acrylic paints. I never worked with clay before, but it's actually easy. It's not a big deal. It's relaxing, it's calming, it's a good exercise for your hand, a kind of massage, and anybody can do it. Just follow my instructions. bird looks great on a straw. Oh, this is fun. My daughter would love this. It's kind of spinning. The bird looks great if you put it onto a straw. Great in your cocktails, perfect for your summer party. Just make a little hole inside. I'll show you how to do it. These birds are the best birds in the world. You don't have to feed them, no mess, no droppings. The only bad thing is they don't sing, but you can always open the window and listen to the real ones. Cheers to all the birds in the world, including the clay ones, and of course to you too.